If this was you during the May SAT math section, you need to listen up.
So it tells us, for the exponential function f, the value of f of 1 is k. And later on, it tells us that k is a coefficient or the base when we plug in f of 1. So what does that mean? Well, when we have an exponential function, we have a number on the outside of the parentheses, which is a coefficient, and then we have the base, which is what's inside of the parentheses. So what this is saying is, when I plug in 1 to this function for x, I should get a number or an output that's the same as one of those two numbers. Well, alright, let's see what happens. So if I could take a, and I plug in 1 in the first one, right, I'm going to get 1.6 to the power of 2 times 50. Now, if you solve that, you're going to see that 1.6 to the power of 2 times 50 is now going to be either 1.6 or 50. So that's how I know A is wrong. Next, when I check B, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get 80 times 1.6. Now again, 80 times 1.6 is not going to be either 80 or 1.6, so I can eliminate B. And now you're going to be able to tell what happens here. When I plug in 1 here, I get 1 minus 1. 128 times 1.6 to the power of 0, what's anything to the power of 0? That's 1. Is going to be 128. Now the question asked us, when we plug in 1, k is going to be either a coefficient or the base. In this case, the answer that we get is the same as our coefficient, so C is our answer.